Creating content on YouTube is hard, man. Vlogging in Nigeria is very difficult. You get to contend with a lot of things. Content creation, vlogging in Nigeria, it is something else. And if you are a Nigerian vlogger, you will find benefits from my experience. Something that happens. See, I don't bring out videos every time, not for a lack of ideas on what to vlog about, but it's about finding the suitable place and time to vlog. So some time ago, I was just driving and I saw a very beautiful scenery, and I decided to vlog. If you are a vlogger in Nigeria, you have to be very careful where you vlog. Content creation in Nigeria is hard. I don't make videos every day, not because I do not have video ideas or content ideas. You know, I am loaded with ideas. What I lack is where and when to video my content, because vlogging in Nigeria can get you in trouble. If you are a Nigerian vlogger, watch this video and learn a thing or two from the sad experience I had yesterday. So I was driving along the road and I saw a beautiful place where I thought I could actually vlog. Very nice scenery, very nice scenario, and everything was just going fine. It looked very beautiful. So, you know, I have my head full of ideas of what to vlog on, but I don't know where to get the minimal noise level, minimal acceptable noise level, or the kind of scenery that I want. So I saw this very beautiful place and I quickly pulled over and I brought out my camera and I started vlogging. I was having a nice time. I was treating the topic and it was going very smoothly. And I was looking forward to you, my beautiful subscribers, seeing this awesome video. What now happened? I started hearing noise behind me. I was hearing a female voice, "Daddy, leave him, Daddy, leave him." I was wondering, who are they leaving? What is happening now? Who are they leaving? When I looked behind me, lo and behold, a grown man was approaching me with a cutlass, a machete in his hand. The daughter was asking him to leave me, leave me. What's happening? I greeted him, "Good day, sir." He said, "It is not a good day. What are you doing with a camera in my area? You are doing surveillance for criminals. In the evening now, you go and give them the video footage so that your boys can come and operate at night." I was telling him, "Sir, I am not a criminal." I showed him my ID. I am not a criminal. I am just a vlogger. I just came around. I saw that your area is beautiful. I decided to make a video. I am a vlogger. He said, "Vlogger or no vlogger, you will go in for it today. I will make you a scapegoat." I said, I am not a goat. Why do you want to escape me? I started begging this man. This man refused though. He said he was going to machete me. What am I going to do now? Please now, I'm just a vlogger. He said, "You come and video my house." Oh yeah, bring out the video. I brought out the video. Look at the video. "Oh, you are covering my house." I'm not covering your house. Your house just appeared in the footage. The daughter was begging him. The daughter now, he was not asking the daughter, "What is vlogging?" The daughter now said, "That thing that I always do now, that I always, you know, record myself and put it on social media. That's what he's doing." The man said, "I must delete the video." I brought out my device. They looked for the video and they deleted it. The man was now satisfied. Later, the man was now saying, "But you do your own inside the room. Why is he doing his own in a public place?" I said, "Sir, vlogging is about appreciating the scenery, the environment." He said, "No, don't try that your vlogging in my area again, because that your vlogging will lead to flogging. If you try vlogging in my area, you will get some flogging. So take your vlogging to where you will not be flogged." The man was so furious. The daughter was the one that saved me that day, because she is also a content creator. So shout out to you, young lady, for saving me. Shout out to you, Annie, for saving me on that day. I would have been in deep soup on that day. So Nigerian content creators, it is not always very conducive. It's not everywhere you go, you bring out your camera or your phone, you start videoing, you start recording, because somebody will accuse you of being a thief one day. Okay, we are not in America or Canada where people just bring out camera anyhow. If you go and do vlogging in the wrong area, you will get flogging. That was my experience 2 days ago, and I decided to share it with you guys and other Nigerian vloggers. Please be mindful of where you go and record your stuff. Okay, so let me keep going now before another person will come and say I am recording their area. When thieves come later, they will say I came to record their area and send it to thieves to come and operate. It's the kind of environment we live in now. You can't record in your house because of noise. You go to beautiful environments like this to record. They say you are recording and videoing so that criminals will come and rob. It's a very sad occurrence, but what do? We keep pushing. That's just the reality of it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Share it with every Nigerian vlogger. Tell them to be careful where they go and vlog. Till I see you next time, it's bye for now.